Alright, so I got a Festool saw, the TS55. Got this thing on Craigslist for $100 because the guy said it needed new brushes. So we're gonna port dust hose in my way. Let me scoot this out so I can find my feet. So I went on Amazon. I'd have to look back for 15 bucks, 20 bucks, something like that. I got some brushes. Let's see. So the guy had already pulled off the casing. He was digging in there and said that's where the brushes were. He couldn't get them out. It says he's got all the parts inside of here. Let's see what we could do. I have never repaired. I'll shake it out one more time. More carbon. There we go, twice. Shake it one more time. One last dusting. I don't know if you can see in here. The very bottom of it. The copper appeared to have been soldered to the bottom of here, but it's not. New brushes came from Amazon again. They took delicate with them. I would pop them in. So there's that little wire, copper wire lead in there that I need to be. They sent me more broken ones. It's my job to fold that part down. They're not broken. Yeah, I feel like that one's... The metal's all twisted. I don't like that. Well, they're both set. Let's see if I can make contact. This wire's back. Let's plug it in and see what we got. Okay. Does that work? Don't think that should be smoking. Let's take a look at it from here. Can you see that?